Hey everyone, in this video I'll walk you through how to download Minecraft Windows 10 Edition on your PC. We'll go step by step, straight from the official source so you can get started safely and without any confusion. First, open any web browser on your computer. In the address bar, go to the official Minecraft website. If you're not sure of the exact link, just search for Minecraft Download Windows 10 Edition and open the result from minecraft.net. Once you're on the Minecraft website, look for the Download section. Select the version for Windows 10. This version is designed specifically for Windows PCs and runs through the Microsoft Store. Click the Download button and wait for the file to finish downloading. This may take a moment, depending on your internet speed. After the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer. Follow the on-screen steps, keep the default options selected, and allow any permissions if prompted. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded Minecraft Windows 10 Edition. Enjoy building, exploring, and creating your own worlds. Thanks for watching, and have fun!